This is our last station of Smart Up Your Life, smart listener. Before we close and say goodbye to you, my friends from BPEC Makassar wants to share the expression, idioms, or a vocabulary for today. Who wants to be the first?
Me.
Yes. Please.
Vocabulary of Pancasila. First is diversity, keragaman, kemajemukan. Value is nilai. Religion is agama atau kepercayaan. I think that's all.
Next.
Okay. Me. Okay. The first is about the picture from in the Garuda. That is the first is star bintang. The second is gold chains rantai emas. The third is banyak tree pohon beringin. And the fourth is bull head kepala banteng. And the fifth is rice and cotton padi dan kapas.
Rice and
Cotton.
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 Okay.
Okay, maybe me.
Yeah.
I actually have several vocabulary about Pancasila. First is representative. It means perwakilan. And then humanity, kemanusiaan, social justice system, sistem keadilan sosial. And the last maybe belief, percaya. I think it's enough.
Miss Ellie?
Well, I
Just
didn't prepare.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah, Mr.
Okay. So I have several words that we got from our conversation before. First is tribe. It means suku. Second is unity, means persatuan. And then the last is right.
Right.
It means hak.
Hug. Okay, well, so thank you so much, guys, for coming tonight and attend our conversation. So I hope we can apply the value of Pancasila in our daily life as the young generation
Yeah, we hope
and
so.
the future leader, of course. So thank you once again and good luck for every meeting of BPEC Makassar. Before I close this, you want to invite smart listener to join your meeting?
President.
Okay, hello smart listener, and I will invite you to learn with us in Jalan Jipang Raya Street, Secret BPC, every Sunday at the 10 o'clock until 2 p.m. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you again next week. Rifa Majid signing out. Bye.
Bye.
That was Smart Up Your Life.